Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Asian Dramas and Reviews. So today I'm gonna give you guys a review on South Korean drama Boys Over Flowers. This is the third drama I've seen, and this drama is a beautiful memory for me because I've seen it with my sisters. So this drama is about a working class girl who gets tangled up in the lives of a wealthy young man in her high school. This story beautifully exhibits the twists and turns in love and how hatred could turn into unconditional love. So this drama also shows the difference between a soulmate and husband. Now, the important question is, will husband and soulmate be only one person in one's life, or are they two different people? Say this drama to know the answer. Well, this wealthy high school men we talked about call themselves F4, and on one fine day, our heroine gets caught in between them. This drama was a total hit all over the world, not only in South Korea.
말했지? 네가 상상할 수 없는 것들을 날마다 누릴 수 있다고.
선배가 불행하면 나도 불행하니까.
Our characters are Gumjandi, a heroine who is very innocent and simple-minded girl. Her life revolves around her best friend, her parents, and her younger brother, and the shop she works in. It's a porridge shop, till our F4 enters her life and mess it up. It is portrayed by Koo Hye-sun, who starred in many dramas like Blood, Angel Eyes, Daughter, etc. Our first male lead is Go Jin-pyo, the leader of F4 and the heir of the Shinhwa Group, which is one of the biggest companies in South Korea. He is hot-tempered and behaves like there is nothing money can't buy. He believes Jandi as he likes it very much, but ends up falling in love with her. Destiny, isn't it? It is portrayed perfectly by one of the most South Korea's famous actor and singer, Lee Min-ho, who starred in various dramas and movies like The Heirs, Legend of the Blue Sea, Bounty Hunters, etc. Second male lead is Yoon Ji-hoo, a member of F4 and grandson of former president of South Korea. He is the knight in shining armor of Jandi, as he always shows up when she's in trouble or distress. It is portrayed by Kim Hyun-jung, a South Korean actor and singer who was in band SS501. He starred in many dramas like Playful Kiss, When Time Stopped, City, Conquest, and many more. He is my all-time favorite hero. And the third male lead is So Yi-jung, a member of F4, a skilled potter. He becomes a Casanova for losing his first love to his brother. He's depressed and sad in the inside, while he pretends to be happy and confident on the outside. He is known for his killer smile and his 3 steps. It is portrayed by Kim Bum, who is also a South Korean actor. He is cute, trust me. And the fourth and the last of the F4 is Song Woo-bin. His family is the biggest construction company, and he is very calm and fun type, and he's the only one who is left without a GF. Sad. It is starred by Kim Jun. He is also a South Korean actor, and another important person is Jandi's best friend. She becomes the girlfriend of So Yi-jung, and this drama Boys Over Flowers is originally taken from a manga named Hana Yori Dango, written by Yoko Kamio. It was converted into many live-action versions of Japan, Taiwan, South Korea, and China. For people who like to read manga, I suggest you guys to read it. So that's it for today, guys. I really suggest you guys to watch this drama if you are interested in comedy and sad at the same time. This can be one of the South Korea's best dramas till date. This drama is full of twists and turns, leading to fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. See you soon with another interesting Asian drama. Take care, guys. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.